Now let's move to the in keyword. To determine if a specified item is present in a list, use the in keyword. Let's see that. We have two examples here. The first one is if banana in fruits list, and the second one if fig in fruits list. As you can see here, in the first example we got the result banana is in the fruits list. The if statement is executed because the fruit called banana is actually in the fruits list. But in the second example, the else statement was executed because the fruits called fig wasn't found in the list called fruits list. Now let me show you how to change the value of a specific item from a list. To change the value of a specific item from a list, refer to the index number. Here we have changed the value of the second element with the index equal to 1 from cherry to apple. To add more than one item to a list, try to create a list with the new values and specify the index number where you want the new values to be inserted. Let me show you how to do that. You can see now we changed the first value by replacing it with the two new values. We just inserted fig and watermelon inside the fruits list at the position 0 instead of fig. Also, to insert a new list item without replacing any of the existing values, we can use the insert method. The insert method inserts an item at the specified index. In this case, the insert method is used to insert banana as the second item inside the fruits list. The insert method inserted banana at the index 1. Now let's move on to the append method. To add an item to the end of the list, you can use the append method exactly as follows. We used the append method to append an item. This item is orange. We added orange at the end of the fruits list.